welcome to my channel.
Today I'm gonna be reviewing this eyelash extension. As you can see, it's just gonna be a quick review because we're going to church soon. This is how it looks like. There you go. And it has a bond and seal, and it has a, tweezer. Is that tweezer? Is that called tweezer? Or whatever. So anyway, let me show you how to put it on. It's my first time so far. It looks nice. On this, oh, okay. So let me show you how to use it the first time and see how it goes.
Now let me show you how it looks like when you unbox it. So this is my first time gonna use it. You have to put it underneath your eyelashes, but I'm not really good at it. It's a little messy on my eyes, and my eyelashes were sticking together and clumping together. But anyway, let's start doing it. So the bond that I put underneath my eyelashes, that's the one to help stick this eyelashes. So you have to put it underneath your eyelashes, and so far it took me a while to do it. Well, it's my first time. I'm not really used to it, and I really had a hard time using this tweezer. I think I saw some tweezers that looks different than this one, and when I put it on, and it fell so many times. It went on my sclera, so I really have to add additional bond to make sure it will stick well. Probably it took me like 10 minutes plus of doing this, and for me that's a lot of time, but it's an excuse because it's my first time. Make sure if the bond sticks to your tweezer, make sure use lash remover to remove it. If not, your lash extension will stick to the tweezer and it will not stick to your own eyelashes. Make sure to clean it with the lash remover very, very well so you will not struggle. So I'm showing you because this is my first time trying it out, so you can see a lot of imperfections because I don't know what I'm doing. At least you have an idea what I do wrong and what should I do right the next time. Stay tuned. So I am done. That's how it looks like without makeup, and this is how it looks like when I have my makeup on. It's been challenging to put the eyeliner when I have eyelashes this long. They have so many sizes here, thickness and stuff, but I am using the 9mm, which is the shortest one, not too long. So this is my first time ever, so it's not that clean.
I saw my friend putting this on, and she told me that it will last a week, will not be removed unless you have to put an eyelash remover. And I was like, why not? I'm gonna try it on because I've tried so many false eyelashes. I don't usually use it unless there's an occasion.
And every time I put a glue or magnetic eyelashes, I always have a struggle on it.
I can't really put my shades on because of my nose is not too high. When it comes to long eyelashes, when I put it on, I can't put on an eyeglasses because my bridge is not too high. So every time you put it on, you can't really blink. It's like touching your eyeglasses. But this size, they have variety of size of their eyelashes. So the 9mm there, they have 9mm here, and they have another one on top, so you have kind of like two rows, and it is perfect when I put my eyeglasses. So when I put that one, it touches a little bit, but not too much.
I love it, and stay tuned. I am going to be showing you another size, and let's see how it looks like for my third time using it. So now this is my third time, so I have to use a mascara first so that I can see my eyelashes. It is so short, to make sure that they're all separated good and they won't clump when I put the bond. Now let's put the bond. So I blinked, so just make sure that you open your eyes wide before you put the bond so you won't blink accidentally. So I only apply just right there, not all the way into my whole eyelashes. So this one is all in the same lengths. They are all 13 millimeters. It's a bit long, so it touches the wall of my sunglasses. So but it looks still beautiful. I will be showing you later how it looks like if I do different lengths on each eye. So this is my third time now. So I put my eyelashes yesterday and I woke up and I still have this eyelashes on. It's intact very, very well. I love it. I woke up so beautiful. Wah! So right now I'm using 13 millimeter, so it's not that challenging to put it on compared to the 9 millimeter. It's worth the whole 10 to 15 minutes of putting it on because it will last for 5 days. So this time it's my fourth time trying it out, but this time it has variety sizes in each eye, so it creates a bit more natural looking. You can literally experiment how you want it. And let me show you how I remove this lash clusters. Just use the lash remover, apply it, and wait for a few minutes, and it's just gonna remove so easy. Okay, so let's go apply. This is my fourth time using it, but this time I'm using a different tweezer, but they do have the same as this in a different kit. I will link it down below. So right after I apply the bond and put the lash clusters, now time to apply the seal to seal it. I love this lengths. It's more natural. If you want to copy this, feel free. It's 14, 14, 11, 11, 9, 9, 9.
So anyway guys, this is my final review. I've been using this for quite a while now. If you could see my first try, first impression video, it was challenging at first, and the more I do it, I get used to it. I will give you some pros and cons for this LAUBESS eyelashes extension. I'm gonna start with the cons first. So if you are still starting out, you need a lot of patience. Make sure you're not going anywhere while you are still, you know, trying it out. Second, I didn't like the tweezer. I think they have another tweezer there, but in one pack they provide that kind of tweezer, which I didn't really like because it doesn't really like hold nicely. The seal, you have to be careful to kind of pull your eyelid up really good to make sure you are just putting right on the eyelashes, because if it goes to your eye, it stings, it hurts. So just be careful with that. And I hope like their bond is not black, but it's invisible, because it does really shows up and kind of like destroy the eyelashes. That is the cons. So far, this is the pros. This is what I love it. So when it comes to affordability, it's good. You know, it's I love the price. It's already a lot, like a lot of clusters of eyelashes in there. So if you are still starting out, it's very good to start with this, because you know, if you mess it up, there's so many chance to kind of, you know, try more, because there's a lot inside. So sometimes when you pull it out, you have to be really careful, but sometimes you get like to pull out and all the eyelashes like kind of like spread apart and destroyed. But the thing is, because it's affordable and it's a lot of clusters, and you have more space to try it again. That's what I love about it. So yeah, when you're starting out, this is the perfect. It's not expensive, and there's a lot of clusters. It's open for more mistakes if in case you get mistakes. Second one, pros. So many sizes. As I said, like so many sizes. You know, there's like a for dramatic look, there's at the bottom, there's a dramatic look, and there's on the top are more like kind of natural look. So what I'm doing right now, because when I started before, it's completely all the same, like all the same sizes. But now I made it kind of like different sizes. So I have like 2 15s, and then 2 14s, and then I have 2 11 millimeter, and then 1 9 millimeter. So it's kind of like building up high, you know, like you can build your own. So it's because it's underneath your eyelashes, it's like, you know, you can't really see, you know, it's like kind of like your natural eyelashes. So I love it. The other cons for me, anyways, whenever I go to the shower, I really have to take it off. I try to put it in the shower, but I like to wash my face the whole time. I kind of try that, but it takes off. Like it's easily to take it off, but I don't like that feeling. That's the user problem, right? So you don't have to take a shower with it. So, or when you take a shower, don't wet your face. But if you don't take a shower for 2 days or 3 days or whatever, it's still intact. That's the pros. It's still there. So what you're gonna do is just keep putting that seal, and it will still go intact like that. Really natural. Seem like I have eyelashes, which I didn't have. How I wish in that one kit for $14, it has the best tweezer. I didn't like tweezer, but I love how it looks like. I love the pink, how it looks like. It looks really good quality on that amount of price. Anyway, I started with a fail and ended up with wow. It will take time at first. It'll be a long time. You put it on, when you put it on, it will take a lot of your time, but when you get used to it, it is very easy. Just to make sure to put your lid up like that while putting it on, because if not, you will blink and then you will have all that bond or glue or adhesive on your face. Don't ever forget that they have a kit there without the lash remover. Make sure that you have the lash remover, because when it goes stick to your tweezer, your eyelashes cluster will stick to that. It will not stick to your eye. So it's kind of like a, you know, like you're trying, but you know, like and it's resisting because it stick to your tweezer. So make sure you have the lash remover, and make sure just take it from, like, if ever your bond stick to the tweezer, the pros outweighs the cons, and it's just how the user do it. You know, it will take time. It's my first time, but when I get used to it, it will be amazing. So hope you guys enjoy this honest review of mine. And if you already tried it out, be patient, keep going until you get used to it. Anyway, always remember, be kind to others and also be kind and gentle with yourself. So I will see you soon, guys, and have a good